Welcome back to our last video on the firewood shed. We are back. This is the weekend after Labor Day, and we're going to finish up as much of this as we can. Our goal is to put trim around the three sides here, and we're planning to scorch the wood to finish it. So that's our last step. One of the things that we thought was kind of cool was how much wood we had left over when we were done with that big pile that used to be over here. And let me just show you here. It is a tiny little pile of offcuts. Here's where we're at so far, and we're going to go ahead and scorch the trim next. In this process, we were able to find salvaged 1x6 boards, and we are cleaning them because they had staples and screws and nails all over, and so we needed to clean those out first. And then the next step will be the Shou Sugi Ban process. It looks like it's going to rain, but it's actually extremely dry. Everything is like kindling, and so we are going to have to take a lot of precautions as we do this Shou Sugi Ban process by having water available and wetting down the whole area. Are you putting these somewhere where they don't get on the driveway?
In my hand at the moment.
Cool. My pocket.
Probably want to rub all this stuff off with a wire brush here. Yeah. There are a few more with like Phillips screws on that end I'm not getting off at the moment, but I'm going to get a brush because that's fireproofing.
Yeah, it probably wouldn't work so well.
It smells really, really bad when it burns.
How would you know that?
Because when iron workers try and weld on top of it, next to it. So I've got, I think a screw remains there and there.
So you can flip it over?
Yeah. We have let our 1x6s dry. We did the charring, we cleaned them with a wire brush, we polyurethaned them, they're dry. We're ready to install them. Based on the amount of material we have, we're going to start out with a long one at the bottom, back, and we'll cut it to length, touch up the end, or maybe screw it in place and the touch up the end. Not quite sure on that, but here we go. It's a square drive stainless steel short 1 5/8" screw. So we'll use that for rust and corrosion. We have gotten as far as we can get on the firewood shelter for now. We used up the 1x6 material that we prepared yesterday, got that installed for sidewalls, so we can actually start putting wood in here. We'll finish it off probably next time we come with just a few more courses of this to enclose it completely. Quick recap, all the wood that we used on this project was scrap wood that we found and got for free. The only things that we purchased were some fasteners at the beginning, these 8 concrete pier blocks, and then the metal roofing system up here. I don't know, because it was found materials, we basically designed off of what we had, and it turned out pretty close to our conceptualized sketch ahead of time of what we wanted it to look like. So we were able to mesh both of them together. It worked out really well. There's ventilation in the floor, ventilation in the walls. It's going to be a nice open top with a good slope, so if there is snow, it'll slide off to the rear, and we can access the front in the winter time.
Thanks for watching Dan and Sarah Makers. We hope this firewood enclosure was an enjoyable watch. A couple of videos here. Like I said, it was found materials, Sarah's awesome design, and we were able to incorporate what we had with the design and got pretty much what we wanted for Christmas.
Is this what I get for Christmas?
No.
Thanks, Dan. No, I really like it, and I have a new appreciation for a 612 roof. My future plans are a 1212, and now I'm like, I don't know if I want that or not. So, yeah, I think it's kind of almost exactly what we were hoping for. It's pretty cool. And we're lowering our carbon footprint at the same time.
Yep, used up a bunch of found material, and yeah.
We like it.
We hope you guys watching this video helps inspire you guys to get out there and do something. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment. All those things help us a lot.
And we have a new Instagram.
And we have Instagram.
And I'll put that on the screen now. See you in the next project.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.